Hey guys, come on in and check out this beautiful Jasmine floor plan. This home is on red tag special. That means that D.R. Horton will pay up to $7,000 towards your buyer closing cost, plus an additional $7,000 to use your way. You can use this additional $7,000 towards gutters, a refrigerator, washer, dryer, or a deco package. Call today for your private showing. 251-234-9919. Now don't forget, this is a gold fortified home. So that saves you a ton of money also on your homeowner's insurance. Anytime you go to a D.R. Horton community, don't forget to let them know that Frankie Wink sent you. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.